Hi everyone, this is Craig Guarente from Palisade Compliance, and today we want to talk to you about Oracle Java, but specifically how Oracle is turning up the heat on Java users to force them to buy these unlimited license agreements focused on Java. Now, we've been talking about Oracle Java for years. A few years ago, Oracle made some changes in their licensing. What was once free to use was now a paid subscription. So that was the first thing they did. Second thing they did was have a whole sales team dedicated to selling Java. Now the third thing that they're doing is using information that your installations of Java are automatically sending back to Oracle. So think about that. Someone in your organization installs Java, and automatically when they do that, information is sent back to Oracle. The IP address, the date, the version, more than 10 other items of information are sent back to Oracle. So this is drastically different than if you install database. No, Oracle doesn't know who installed it or where it was installed. They just know that you downloaded it from their e-delivery site. With Java, it's completely different. Not only do they know you downloaded it, but now they know you installed it and what type of machine you installed it on. And what they're doing with that is they're basically doing audits without calling them audits. So here's how it goes. Oracle sales rep calls up the customer and says, hey, I'd like to have a conversation with you around your Java licensing. Customer says, great. Then on that call, Oracle says, hey, we know you downloaded it. We know you're using it like this. How do you maintain compliance? We think you need a license. And the customer usually goes, well, and then Oracle says, listen, you need a Java ULA. Here you go. $5 million, $3 million, $2 million. However they come up with the number, who knows? Sometimes the Oracle sales reps are asking for more information from the customer, and as the customer gives them more information, Oracle's building their case to forcing you to buy that Java ULA. So even though you're not getting an official audit letter from Oracle, we want you to think of every conversation you have with an Oracle sales rep around Java licensing as an unofficial audit. So Oracle, it's a great strategy for Oracle because they're basically getting around all the software asset management protections that you've built, right? Think about it. You get an audit letter from a vendor, you hit that red button, alarms go off, and people mobilize, hey, we have to defend ourselves from this audit. Let's get the team together. But there's no audit letter here. It's just discussion with Oracle sales. And so what we're finding is a lot of companies are coming to us saying, hey, we'd like help with our Java compliance. Okay, great. Palisade has an entire program dedicated to this. But when we get in there, we find we sort of have to switch gears a little bit. It's not just about Java compliance, but it's about audit defense. Even though it's an unofficial audit from Oracle, we make sure the customer mobilizes their troops and gets ready to defend their compliance position from Oracle's, basically attack on their IT budget. So we've written a lot about this. There's some links that I put in this post towards a recent blog post that we've done and our Java program. If you need any help with Java, if you're just worried about Java, whether or not Oracle has knocked on your door yet, please reach out to us at Palisade Compliance and we'll help you through all of those issues to make sure you stay in compliance and you're not forced to sign these unlimited license agreements with Oracle. So thank you everyone for your time today, and good luck with Java and good luck with Oracle.